This is the perfect wig for the summertime.
Welcome back for another video. Hey y'all, so before we jump into this video, I want to tell you all about Dossier perfumes. They provide designer inspired perfume, which is 100% vegan, cruelty and paraben free at an affordable rate. I love how it comes packaged. It's very sleek and very neat, straight to the point. It comes in a bottle of 1.7 fluid ounce. So the two scents that I received was the floral peony and the floral pear, which smells so good, y'all. Y'all know I love a good clean smell. And one thing that I like about these perfumes, they last all day when you spray them on. Also, as you can see, the tops are magnetic. I thought that was really cool about these because you don't have to worry about losing your top or the tops falling off. And I like when you spray them, it comes out like a mist, and it's not just that the way, you know, how some perfumes squirt and it gets all over your clothes and you can see it. So be sure to check out the description box below. I'll have everything linked and coupon code and everything so you guys can get you some of this perfume. So let's jump into this wig, y'all. So this wig is from Nadula hair. This is one of their lace part closure wigs. So you get so much parting space in the front, which is a little bit of lace that you get in the front, and then when you part it down the middle, you get about 6 inches, I believe it is. Also, they sent over some lashes and a headband, and this is the way it came packaged. The stocking or the layer, it's not a stocking, y'all. It's like it's supposed to mimic skin, like underneath the wig. I always take that from underneath my wigs. I was gonna say, I don't know why, but I like to bleach my knots in my wig, so that's why I remove it. And I don't see a reason in sewing it back underneath the wig, so I just leave it off. That's why you guys always see that I never have it installed underneath my wig, just to, you know, bleach my knots. So here's the wig. I washed it and I air dried it. I air dried it for a few days. Sorry y'all if my voice is so raspy. It's late at night and I'm trying to get this voiceover done because the kids are asleep. Hallelujah. But yeah, I washed the hair and I let it air dry. That's why it kind of looks frizzy, and I've just, you know, had it air drying and laying around. So So I'm just checking this wig out, seeing the way I wanted to style it. I'm in love with the lace on this unit. I think, like I said before, it's Swiss lace. I'm saying before because towards the end I'll be mentioning that this is Swiss lace, and it's brown Swiss lace, and the way it blends in with your skin is crazy. Like, I didn't have to put any foundation powder or anything that I usually put on my units. It blended in with my skin so good. So I'm going to be using my Baby Bliss Pro flat iron. This thing gets so hot, y'all. Like, I'm literally scared of this thing. Like, the only time I'll flat iron my hair really is if I have my wig on a mannequin, because I've burnt myself so many times with this doggone thing. Either that or my flat iron. I mean, not the flat iron, the hot comb. So I'm just taking some of this Silk Elements. It's like a straightening serum. I always put that on my hair so that I'm just not flat ironing dry hair. I try to put something on the hair, and it really gets the hair pretty sleek. Like I said, I usually flat iron my wigs while they're on the wig head, and then I'll just press it out, and I'll do small sections. That way that's sleeking the hair out. If you guys want to see a video on that, let me know down below. But as you can see, it got it pretty straight. So if you want to, you don't have to cut any baby hairs in this wig, which I don't like the way my hairline looks, so I ended up cutting a few baby hairs in it. But like I said, it looks really natural without it, but I prefer baby hairs on some units. So if you're not feeling the whole flip over look, you can of course part this wig. I don't know why I didn't part it and just rock it like that, but I was feeling the volume that the top of the wig was giving, so I just flipped it over and wore it like that. But as you can see, the lace part, it does look real natural.
Okay, y'all, so before I do this part, as usual, please forgive me because my kids are loud in the background and I don't know why they turned up right now, but yeah. So I'm loving this hair, this wig. Of course, you already know I'm not gonna put y'all onto something that I don't like. I really like the color and the body it has. You see how much movement you have? So I'm really loving the color. I love the length of it. And excuse it if it's not as straight as it can get. I know it's not as straight as it can get, but I washed it and I let it air dry for days, and I kind of just ran the flat iron through it. So I didn't really silk it out, but I know it could get straighter than this. So I know it could get flatter than this, but my natural hair underneath is braided and it's time for me to like re-braid it and all of that. So it's kind of poofy at the top, but excuse that. Also in the front here, you do get parting straight down the middle from, okay, so you have lace from in the front from here to here, and then you have lace down the middle. You have lace down the middle. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, lace down the middle. That's my cap. That's why it's kind of colored like that. But I just threw it to the side. This length and the color is like perfect for the summer. Like, I don't know, with these wigs with this color, this certain color, it like blends in so good with my skin. Oh, and another thing that blended in so good was the lace. Like, that's my cap, and then the lace is right here where you see the baby hair start. So you know you have good lace when you can see the cap underneath, then that's good lace. So it didn't take too long to style. I don't even have it glued down or anything. Oh yeah, see, you can see my cap right there. Excuse my nails too, y'all. But I don't have it glued down or gel or anything. It's snug. But I want to thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you would rock this hair for the summer, this color for the summer. I see a lot of these highlight wigs and bobs. Let me know if you will rock that down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, and